Okay, this next video refers to preparation before we start cutting miters on this and assembling the thing. As it comes out of the surface planer, it's a little bit rough, so what we need to do is sand this up. What I'm going to use is a random orbit sander here. I'm going to make sure that I've got the little dust component on the back here. Now that's going to capture the dust rather than, well, a lot of it. Alright, it can't escape the whole lot. The sandpaper has little holes in it here on the plate, which is hopefully collects most of it, goes in here instead of into my lungs. Alright, alternatively, what we can do is wear a face mask. Alright, when I'm using this, all I need to do, as it is a random orbit, is to move it along. Alright, if I keep it in the one spot, it's kind of going to dig me a little hole. For this first process, I've got 120 grit sandpaper on this sander. As when we're using any powered electrical tool that involves plugging a lead in, or we want to make sure before we turn it on that we check that lead for any defects. The last person that used it might have mistakenly hit that, put a cut in it. We don't want to be the person that gets zapped as a result of that. Check the cord before you turn it on. Standard operating procedure when we use any corded tool, when we use it, we throw that lead up over our shoulder, alright, so that it is out of our way. This part of the process, all we're concentrating on is the face, alright, our bevel and the flat edge of our profile. Don't have to worry about the edges or the rear.